Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Thursday, December the 19th, 2013. I've done my morning routine. I've gone through a bunch of press releases, found the best ones that stood out to me, and I'd give you some insights into why what caught my attention about those companies. And the ultimate goal is to help you find some good companies to do your homework on and find some investment winners in there as well. I'm Alan Barry-Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM, and we're trying to keep our show to around the 10-minute time frame. I've got several news releases to talk about today, so I'm going to get right to it. The first company I wanted to talk about is Neah Power. Neah Power is an AGORACOM client. Just wanted to let everybody know about that. What they announced is that they've had a highly anticipated buzz bar launched along with their website redesign, and they have a limited number of first generation buzz bars available. Neah Power is a provider of power solutions using proprietary award-winning technology for the military, transportation, and portable electronic markets, and they're very pleased about the direct-to-consumer ordering opportunities for BuzzBar via their new website at neahpower.com. That's NEHPOWER.com. You can find this find this press release on their website, and also George Cholis, the founder of AGORACOM, did an interview with the top person there at Neah Power, and it gives you some good information about the company. Go to blog.agoracom.com to find that. The next company is Argentex Mining. Argentex Mining announced additional drill results from their Pinguino silver gold project. Included in that was 3 meters of averaging 712 grams per ton silver and 8.24 grams per ton gold. This project is 100% owned. It's located in the Santa Cruz province of Argentina. This is the final 14, or they did 44 reverse circulation drill holes, and this is the final 14 drill hole, or the final 14 drill holes are pending. They had several good drill hole intersections in the press release. You can find that on the company's website. The stock is today up a half a cent to 9 cents. Just looking at their stock chart, over the last year, they started the year at around 32 cents. They've been they were under pressure early in the year, kind of going sideways, bit of a patchy trader since about June. And definitely think this company could use some audience building there to get more activity in the company stock, because they do have a very interesting project. ATX is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Aroway Energy. Aroway Energy, announced that they've continued drilling success at their Kirkpatrick Lake project, which is in central Alberta. They've drilled a well to 1,130 meters, and they're quite excited about the potential for this well. You can find the details on that on the company's website. Just looking at the stock today, they're down a penny to 21 cents. Their longer-term chart, they've been under pressure for a lot of this year as well. Like a lot of smaller resource-type stocks. But in the last 6 weeks or so, it looks like the stock has been bottoming and sort of trending sideways on low volume, and recently broke above its short-term moving average. So that's quite an interesting project. Their stock symbol is ARW. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Gold Reach Resources. Gold Reach Resources had drill results from their West Seal and East Seal deposits, which are part of their UTSA project which is near Smithers, British Columbia. They have very thick intersections of, for example, one hole had 118 meters of 0.65 copper equivalent. Another hole had 26 meters of 1.5 copper equivalent, percent that is. And another hole had 355 meters of 0.48% copper equivalent. And this is right at surface as well. Just looking at the stock chart, they're up a half a cent today to 90 cents. Their stock chart has been pretty weak, like a lot of mining stocks lately, and could be bought. Looks like it might be trying to find a bottom here. Doesn't do a lot of daily activity. Kind of a small trader on this gold reach, but they've definitely got some big holes there. GRV is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Eagle Hill Exploration. Eagle Hill Exploration announced that they've completed their 2013 drill program. Had some very good drill results in there. 2 meters of 12 grams per ton gold. 0.7 meters of 17 grams per ton gold. 3/4 of a meter at 27.9 grams per ton gold. Some very good numbers in there. You can find that on the company's website. Just looking at the stock right now, it's trading at 7 cents, which is flat on the day. This also has been under pressure. It's now bottoming and trading near its 1 year low, near the yearly lows here. So that one could be bottoming. Going to keep a very close eye on it. EAG is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Continental Gold. Continental Gold had some drill results from their Buritica project in Antigua, Colombia. Had some very good silver and gold numbers. Half a meter of 119 grams per ton gold and 166 grams per ton silver. 1.5 meters of 33.8 grams per ton gold and 134 grams per ton silver. I'm usually not that excited about projects in Colombia, but these are just spectacular kind of results. But the market didn't seem to get too excited about it either. They're down 14 cents today on 151,000 shares to $2.61. Now, what could also be affecting that price is the gold has been getting hammered around, pretty good today. I think it's very oversold on the price of gold. I think the price of gold is oversold, but it is affecting other gold, or it's affecting gold stocks as well. Just looking at the stock chart, and this one's been under pressure all year. It started the year at over $9 a share, now trading down around $2.80. It has been sort of bottoming and trending sideways recently over the last 4 or 5 weeks. That's an interesting kind of trend for me on a technical basis. Interesting company. CNL is their stock symbol. That's CNL, and they trade on Toronto. Next company is Klondex Mines. Klondex Mines had some drill results out from their Fire Creek project, which is in Nevada. And they had some 13 grams over 10 meters, 9.2 grams over 4.6 meters, 10 grams over 1.5 meters. Some very good drill results there. This is a key project for the company. This is a very aggressive company, and I think they've done some pretty interesting stuff lately. Stock's trading at $1.51, which is up a penny today. Lately, the stock has been on a very good trend since it bottomed back in April. Sort of your classic bullish trend. You know, this is a good one to do your homework on. KDX is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next company is Pan American Silver. Pan American Silver announced that they've expanded their La Colorada mine, which is in Zacatecas, Mexico. They give you some detailed highlights of what they are doing there. annual silver production from the current, or their increase, they've had a 64% increase in estimated annual silver production from the current 4.7 million forecast for 2013 to 7.7 million ounces in 2014 when the full expansion project is completed. They're talking about a 39% reduction in estimated costs. Lots of good details in there. You can find that on the company's in the press release. Pan American Silver is down 21 cents today to $11.60. The stock chart has been bottomed back in October. Since then, the trend has been getting a lot more bullish. I recently picked a company. I think it was trading at around $10, a little over $10, somewhere in there, and I picked it on one of the past Best of the Best and Weekly News shows. I like this company a lot. Big producer of silver, one of the largest pure silver plays out there. PAA is their symbol. They trade on Toronto. Next company is U.S. Silver and Gold. U.S. Silver and Gold announced that they're reopening their number 3 shaft at the Galena mine. And there was a short-term shutdown. They had some issues with the Mine Safety and Health Administration. They weren't major issues. They were able to fix those issues quite quickly, and are now got approval from the MSHA, and are getting ready to start cranking up that number 3 shaft again. So that's very good news for the company. Stock's down a penny today, 26.5 cents. I'm liking this chart as I picked it just yesterday in my tax loss selling stock pick show that George and I did as one of my top 6 picks for tax loss selling kind of picks that I think will perform well over the next 6 weeks after the pressure from tax loss selling is over. And I got some good news today that'll help me out on that pick. USA is their stock symbol, and they trade on Toronto. The next company is Pine Cliff Energy. Pine Cliff Energy announced their 2014 guidance and operational update. They have an estimate of 6,100 barrels of oil equivalent per day for 2014 production. You can find that data on this guidance in the press release. Just looking at the stock, it's $1 today on 72,000 shares, so that's flat on the day. This company, since April, it's had a stronger chart. It was looking like it was kind of making a rounding kind of top there. But I'm liking that in the last 3 or 4 weeks it sort of went sideways, and that I think could be a sign that the selling pressure might be over and ready to break out to the upside. I could see myself talking about this company on our weekly Best of the Best and Weekly News show. P&E is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today is Colossus Minerals. Colossus Minerals announced, subject to regulatory approval, that they're entering into a financing for $25 million and to help them finish or to further their development of their project down there in Brazil, which is an exceptionally good high-grade platinum, palladium, gold, and silver discovery, and they were very close to having finishing off the development of this mine. Then they ran into some funding problems. It looks like now they've been able to fix that problem. The stock is up a half a penny today to 17 cents on 2.6 million shares traded. Just looking at the stock chart, it's been bottoming for the last 6-7 weeks. This could be a good sign that it's ready to start performing better. Now that they've got this funding situation sort of looked after, I could see myself talking about these guys on my weekly Best of the Best and weekly news show. Stock symbol is CSI, and they trade on Toronto. So that's a wrap on today's in the news show or stock news show. And before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. Again, have a great day, and join us tomorrow for our Best of the Best show. Or sorry, I'm getting a day ahead of myself. It's only Wednesday today. So Thursday we'll have another. Oh no, I'm on Thursday. I'm getting my days all mixed up here. I put Wednesday on the title of this show, but I see it's Thursday today. So have a great day. I'll get my days figured out, and we'll talk to you soon.